Hi everyone, I just wanted to say that we are having trouble getting our craft room together because we lost some stuff, and right now we're just doing vlogs and we're visiting places and putting it on our channel. But right now my daughter made this beautiful little apron for her aunt. Her aunt is a deaf teacher. She teaches deaf sign language to deaf people in college over the years. So she is taking this apron that we got from, I believe it was Michael's, and she's penciling in the signs that you would sign with your hand. And it's going to say, I love you. Now, her aunt, who is also her godmother, doesn't know this, and I know that she will be so tickled and so inspired that my daughter actually did this for her. So we're hoping to get her response maybe on a video call, but we're not sure yet. But again, she penciled it in first and then she embroidered it with thread. So as you can see, she's just going through and doing the signs, and you'll see it in the end, which it turned out so good. But what a wonderful gift this makes for people. It is just a sweet, thought-provoking gift. So I hope you're going to enjoy watching her make this gift for her aunt. Also, after this one, we made some bracelets. And the reason we made these bracelets was because we left Virginia and we're now in Florida. And we had some friends that loved our DIYs. So I would give them a lot of my DIY, which were some pretty big objects. You know, there were wreaths and there were boards and they were just big. So I was thinking I really missed them. And I wanted to send them something that wouldn't cost an arm and a leg to send, and to find big enough boxes, and for it not to get like broken or just parts missing. So in the video after this one, it's a video on how we made bracelets for our sweet friends in Virginia. So I want to thank you guys for always watching and caring about us. If you can hit the subscribe button and share it with your family and friends, we would love that. We are going to try to get back to doing our DIYs in the new year. We have had so many problems with finding our boxes. We've lost some boxes. We're missing half of everything. We'll find the glue gun, but we never find the glue sticks, or we'll find parts of things and we just don't have all the cords. So just bear with us. It was a lot moving. I have 6 kids, and I mean, every time they ask me for something like, Mom, do you have a ruler? I'm like, no, I don't know where it's at, because I don't know where it's at. We have probably still 100 boxes to unpack and get organized. So we want to thank you for bearing with us. And also, I hope you've been watching our vlogs, because we've been going to Disney Springs. We went to Goodwill. The Goodwill here is gigantic. It really is. We went to a Home Goods. We went to an At Home. So we've been trying to do videos on it so that you could see our new life here in Florida. Anyway, we love you guys. We really do miss you. Please comment and just let us know you're still out there for us, and just pass it on to your family and friends, and continue to watch this video. God bless you. Love you. Bye.